This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Jeep Wrangler oil life. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Next, you'll need to access the oil life display on your instrument cluster. This initial step is crucial for getting into the correct menu. It ensures you're ready to navigate the system and perform the reset accurately, keeping your vehicle's maintenance on track. Once the ignition is on, use the steering wheel controls to scroll through the various menu options on your dashboard display. You're looking for the Oil Life or Vehicle Information section. Navigate carefully until you find it. After locating the correct section, confirm your selection to proceed. This step gets you closer to the actual reset, ensuring you're in the right place to make the necessary changes. Now that you're in the correct menu, press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel for several seconds. Keep holding it until you see the oil life percentage reset. It should typically jump back to 100%. Once you see this confirmation, you can release the button. This action completes the reset, signaling that your vehicle's oil life monitor is now refreshed and ready for its next service interval. It's vital to remember that you should always perform an actual oil change before resetting the oil life light. This ensures your engine receives fresh lubrication. Also, consult your owner's manual for specific service intervals tailored to your vehicle model and driving conditions. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with some fantastic leak-proof containers, be sure to check the link in the description below. Keeping up with maintenance is key for your Jeep's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.